Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on a school computer. First, understand your school's network restrictions. School networks frequently implement strict filters, often blocking gaming websites and applications to ensure an optimal learning environment. Before attempting any methods, it is essential to understand your school's specific network policies and content filtering systems. This knowledge will help you navigate potential restrictions more effectively and choose the most suitable approach for accessing the game. One common approach involves using web-based versions of Geometry Dash. Numerous websites host unblocked versions that can be played directly through your browser, often circumventing network filters. Another effective method is utilizing a portable version of the game. This allows you to run Geometry Dash from a USB flash drive, requiring no installation on the school computer itself. These options can often bypass typical software installation restrictions. To overcome network blocks, consider using tools like virtual private networks, commonly known as VPNs. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server in a different location, effectively masking your IP address and bypassing local network restrictions. Similarly, web proxies can reroute your connection, making it appear as if you are accessing content from an unblocked server. Certain browser extensions also provide proxy functionalities for easier access. Before attempting any of these methods, it is crucial to be fully aware of your school's acceptable use policy for computer and network resources. Unauthorized installation of software or attempts to bypass network security measures could lead to disciplinary actions, including loss of computer privileges. For a worry-free experience, consider playing Geometry Dash on your personal devices during non-school hours. Prioritizing your education and respecting school rules is always paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.